Good morning. But I've been on a weight gaining journey. So far, I've been pretty consistent. And one thing that I didn't know about this process, it's way harder than what I thought it would be. Because for somebody who wants to gain weight, you have to eat at times that even when you're not hungry, you don't feel like it. Another thing that I'm running into is that I need to start meal prepping. Having those options already in my refrigerator is a lot easier than having to like make it and stuff like that. But I'm generally somebody who doesn't like a lot of options at first because I get overwhelmed with having a lot of options. But then I'm starting to think that maybe for meal prepping I should have options just in case like I don't like eating it every day. I don't know. But what I would say though is that protein shakes have been my best friend because sometimes it's easier to drink things than they are to eat it. And got me a little portable blender. I will insert the clip or show you how I make my protein shakes. Honestly, I thought that it was gonna taste nasty, but how I make it, it literally tastes like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. It's really good. I was really surprised.
Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed, but I got the wide camera lens for the Sony ZV-1. I think I kind of like it so far. I mean, I see like a little bit of a difference, but not huge, but it's fine. I love this camera though, by the way. It's a great beginner camera. Wish you can see the setup. I bought like a suction cup tripod. I'm thinking about getting a microphone, like the wireless one. And then I was thinking about getting a light, like a little tiny light. I don't know about that because it's not really necessarily the equipment that you have, is how you use the equipment that you already have. Does that make sense? It is Sunday. Oh, it's already March 1st. That's crazy. I feel like we just started this year. Yeah, today is Sunday, so what I'm wanting to do is really just do a Sunday reset. I took her outside to play so she can wear off some of that energy. She is actually in the stage of not wanting to have naps. Once you feel like you get this parenting stuff like knocked down to a T, your kids reach another milestone to the point where like you gotta readjust. Which is okay. Like kids keep you on your toes 24/7. So we're gonna take a break.
Birthday, love?
Do you have the birthday one?
No, we're out of those as well.
Okay. Caramel frappe, size medium.
You said a caramel frappuccino medium?
Yeah.
What else for you?
That'll be all. All right, we gotta get your lollipop somewhere else. They don't have it, okay?
Okay.
Hi, honey. 622.
What?
Would you like to do a chocolate cake? I have one left.
Yes,
Yeah?
please.
Okay,
Yeah.
baby. $9.95. Hi, babies. Good morning.
Hi.
But we actually about to get up and do some laundry. Actually, I made a list about what I needed to do today. Laundry, grocery shopping, clean bathroom, and then clean kitchen. I'm pretty sure I can do more things. Oh, you know what? The floors need to be clean. I'm going to try. So that is my to-do list for today. And I don't want to just start with laundry because it will take longer. I just don't know. See, look how yellow this looks. And this is why I said I wanted like a little light. Maybe it's just best if I just work with what I have, bro, instead of like thinking, oh, I can't do such and such without such and such. Like, then I would never start. You can see in my dirty bedroom. I'm learning how to make do with what I have. Okay, we gotta start this bad bird. I don't have any dryer sheets. It's fine. I'm scared we're gonna fall. forgot that I was recording.
You got happy.
Oh, are you happy? How are you feeling today?
Sad.
You're feeling sad? Why?
Angry.
Why are you angry?
I wanted to play hide and seek.
You want to play hide and seek, so you're angry?
Yeah. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, I could like yeah.
Okay, we can hang it up. Oh, do you want to hang this one up?
Yep.
You can help me pick out the pictures that you want on your wall.
Thank you. What was in my picture? Let's see.
Being with a man like that.
Or like you gotta readjust.
No, we're out of those.
It is going on 6 o'clock. Like the day kind of just slipped by, and it was really just because I was cleaning, spending time with Zaria, or just decorating her play area. I'm gonna show you how I make my protein shake. It's a little portable one, which I find to be very convenient. I didn't even know they had portable ones. I'm kind of new in this space. Protein, of course, whole milk. We have strawberry. So I am drinking my protein shake before I eat something else, but it is late. I'm actually waiting for Zaria to eat her dinner, and then I'm gonna give her a bath, do her hair, and then it's nighttime because it's literally, yeah, it's 6:09. So I feel like today was a good day. There's a couple of things that I want to work on as far as like content creation, being okay with where I'm at currently. I also have little tiny goals of mine every time I upload. For this video, I'm focusing on just cutting, making sure I do clean cuts, making sure that I'm cutting out dead space. My next video, I'm focusing on hook improvement, so that should be interesting. To say the least. That's probably one of my biggest struggles. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and this is where I'm closing out the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.